Pochito. Am I saying that right? Pochito. Could be saying it wrong. And Denji from Chainsaw Man Episode 1. Really good from Mappa. I enjoyed it. And the 3D, animation wasn't too bad. I know it still looks clunky to me, that 3D animation, but I still enjoyed it. I thought it was good. So, landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. We start with Denji, right? So his face is in profile. So just along this sort of middle line, we're going to start with his nose, right? So to do the nose, you do this sort of letter L sort of shape that like curves itself around like that. And this sort of becomes like a Z up at the top. Okay, so his nostril on his nose, just about here. Right, so then his eye is just across from this, sort of diagonally up from there, right? So you go diagonal line and then bring it back that way. Right, and you want to like thicken this up, so we got like a couple of these kind of hook lines. That anime characters usually have, and you make the line just a little bit thicker. Right, like that. And then his bottom eyelid line coming down around there. And he could have some sort of stress lines and stuff just around the base of his eye here, light lines. And then his iris and pupil, so it's an ellipse because he's looking off to the left. So it's a skinny circle, and his pupil thin just here as well. So next we'll go for eyelid line. So we just go up, down like that. And he's got an eye patch that comes across his face. So yeah, we'll add eyebrow first. So it's just up high. He's quite surprised, raised eyebrow. Just up there, and just add a section that you can color in. Right, so then top lip curves out from the bottom of his nose, then in, like that. Bottom lip, out, in, and then his chin goes down behind his jacket, right? So you got this kind of letter M sort of thing going on. Follows the line for the nose as well. So same sort of horizontal line there. And you can see his mouth kind of open, right? So you go across, down that way. And then his bottom lip just comes over, like that. So the bottom of his face is cut off by his jacket. So like the camera angle is like we're down here looking up at the two of these lads looking at one another. So it's this sort of curving line, right, that just bumps around here and cuts off the whole bottom half of his face. So like it'll go all the way back, like here, and his shoulders here. So it's a real exaggerated sort of viewpoint now with this jacket. Right, and the lapel of it sort of like sticks down here. And there's some fold lines in underneath. some more, so like another fold line here. And then some like fold lines going down this way. And there seems to be like some stitching, right, that goes across. Disappears there, goes out the other side. Okay, so jaw then, and like his ear and stuff. So like we'll go this side, so we'll go jaw just here. And this eye patch line comes across underneath the ear here from his nose, right? So right across the top of his nose, like here. So we go around his jaw just here, right? So and then his ear will be about here. So you could do that line anywhere, up or down, really. But it's just go, you want it to go behind sort of his jaw and up behind his ear. And then his ear is here. And it goes in behind his hair. So we'll do some of that hair and then we'll do the ear lines. So coming across from the front, right? So we've got like all these hair spikes coming across from his fringe. So just keep going, keep adding these, going all the way across here, but over his ear, all the way. Right, and then another one sort of here. And then we can see some of his like ear lines and stuff inside here. It's always interesting how different animes do ears. That's all they have, really. That's all they've drawn. Very simple. And then the back of his hair there. And we'll go back to the front and we'll bring it the whole way around his head, right? So, more hair spikes. Now remember, hair moves. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine, just once you get the sort of general shape of things. Right, there's kind of a part in his hair here, so this one goes the other way. That, and then he could have like some extra sort of texture lines just that, and then of course he has another strap coming across just underneath the eyebrow, like here, for that eye patch. Actually, the eye patch is drawn in here. Okay, so his jacket, right, so then his body comes down and his knee goes up, and then Pochita is just here, right? So we'll go just these fold lines for his shirt. Bumping. Again, you can do this anyway, really. Just these bumping lines just to show that it's all crinkled. And then we meet his jeans. Sort of here. And these will go up off the page there. You have another leg behind Pochita. Okay, so then little Pochita. So his back comes up and joins his head, just as he's like this little round creature, right? And then his lip here, and then the rest of his body goes down there, and you'll have like a little leg sticking out like that, and then the leg at the back, and then his knee sort of here. His eye just up here, just a ellipse looking up at Denji. That, and then iris inside. So then the chainsaw itself coming out, right? So this will go like out this way, and then around, down like that. And then it's got a line on the inside. Like so. And this is broken up into different sections. So like that, and then we have the blades. And his other lip on the other side. Another jacket line there. Oh yeah, and then the handle, so just curve it up, around, down behind, and then the inside. Down like that. Well, that could be a shadow actually. Probably don't need that line. This could be a shadow. And then his knee. Like that. But that's it. Excited for the rest of this anime. Hope it's good. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.